Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your premier destination for all things home decor and design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're taking a journey back in time and then leaping forward, exploring the stunning world of Victorian house designs with a modern touch. Imagine the intricate detailing, ornate elegance, and timeless grace of a Victorian home, now fused with the clean lines, open spaces, and technological comforts of contemporary living. This is where history and innovation collide to create truly unique and unforgettable homes. If you love the charm of the past but demand the convenience of the present, this video is your ultimate inspiration. We'll define this unique design philosophy, explore its many benefits, share expert tips on perfecting the exterior, and reveal the best styles that make this fusion so breathtaking. Get ready to fall in love with a home that tells a story, both old and new. Victorian house designs with a modern touch is an architectural and interior design approach that intentionally blends the elaborate characteristics of the Victorian era with the simplicity and functionality of contemporary design. It's not about a total renovation that erases the past, but a thoughtful and strategic integration of two distinct styles to create a cohesive and exciting new aesthetic. In essence, a Victorian house design with a modern touch is about honoring the rich history and craftsmanship of a past era while seamlessly upgrading the home to meet the demands, preferences, and luxuries of contemporary life. Choosing a Victorian house design with a modern touch offers a unique blend of benefits that satisfy both the heart's desire for history and the mind's need for modern convenience. Firstly, a primary benefit is the creation of a home with unmatched character and timeless appeal. Victorian houses are renowned for their intricate details, unique silhouettes, and sense of grandeur. By preserving these elements while updating the home with modern touches, you create a space that stands out from typical cookie-cutter designs. This fusion ensures your home is not just stylish for a single moment, but possesses a classic, enduring beauty that will captivate for generations, making it a sound investment. Secondly, this design philosophy dramatically improves a historic home's livability and energy efficiency. Traditional Victorian homes often suffer from small, dark rooms and inefficient insulation. A modern renovation can address these issues by opening up floor plans to create bright, airy living spaces, installing large, high-performance windows, and integrating new insulation and smart home technologies. This means you can enjoy the spacious, flowing feel of a modern home and benefit from lower utility bills, all within the charming shell of a historic structure. Finally, this approach provides the ultimate platform for creative and personal expression. The juxtaposition of old and new allows you to mix and match design elements in a way that is truly your own. You can pair vintage finds with minimalist furniture, hang abstract art on a wall with original wainscoting, or install a sleek, state-of-the-art kitchen in a room with a decorative fireplace. This freedom empowers you to curate a home that is a perfect reflection of your personality, one that respects history while boldly embracing the future. Decorating the exterior of a Victorian home with a modern touch is a delicate dance between honoring its ornate history and providing a fresh, contemporary appeal. The key is to make intentional choices that highlight, not hide, the home's unique features. Begin by updating the color palette with a modern sensibility. While classic Victorians often sported a palette of 3 to 7 vibrant colors, a modern take might use a refined 2 or 3 color scheme. Consider a monochromatic look, such as a deep charcoal or a crisp white for the main body of the house, with a contrasting color for the trim and window sashes. Or use a bold, single-color approach, like a deep navy or a sophisticated dark green, to modernize the facade while letting the architectural details shine through their intricate shadows. The right color choice can instantly transform a fussy Victorian into a chic statement piece. Next, integrate modern landscape design and lighting. The lush, often wild gardens of the Victorian era can be swapped for a more structured, minimalist landscape. Think clean lines, geometric planting beds, and hardscaping with sleek materials like polished concrete or natural stone pavers. Use simple, modern planters to flank the front door. For lighting, use subtle, upward-facing lights to accentuate the unique gables and decorative brackets, and install sleek, contemporary fixtures on the porch to provide a warm, inviting glow. This intentional lighting will make the intricate details pop at night. Finally, focus on key exterior features like the door and porch. A classic Victorian door can be painted in a bold, modern color like red, bright yellow, or a jewel-toned teal to create an immediate focal point. Alternatively, a simpler, modern door can be installed to provide a striking contrast. For the porch, swap out heavy, ornate furniture for sleek, minimalist outdoor seating. Use a simple, modern railing if possible, or paint the original intricate spindles in a single, clean color. This blend of styles will create an exterior that is both respectful of its history and undeniably current, offering a captivating first impression. Now, let's explore 10 incredible examples that showcase the perfect fusion of Victorian elegance and modern style. These homes are not just beautiful, they are a masterclass in blending eras. One. The urban Victorian with minimalist landscaping and bold exterior colors. This design transforms a classic Victorian into a contemporary urban statement. The original ornate facade is painted in a striking, deep color, such as navy or charcoal, which makes the intricate trim pop. The surrounding garden is replaced with clean, minimalist landscaping, like a sleek fence and simple pavers, creating a powerful juxtaposition between the traditional architecture and a modern, disciplined aesthetic. 2. The Grand Victorian with an industrial chic open-plan interior. This home perfectly showcases the art of contrast. While the exterior maintains its classic Victorian silhouette, the interior has been completely opened up, removing the traditional compartmentalized rooms. Exposed brick walls, steel-framed windows, and polished concrete floors create an industrial feel, while original details like a grand staircase or a decorative fireplace are preserved, creating a breathtaking blend of raw and refined. 3. The Heritage House with a modern, glass-walled extension. A brilliant way to add a modern touch is with an extension that doesn't try to mimic the original. This idea features a classic Victorian home with a new, sleek, glass-walled addition on the back or side. The transparent addition provides a light-filled, open-plan space for a kitchen or living room, creating a dramatic visual conversation between the historical facade and the contemporary living space. 4. The Bohemian Victorian with a vibrant, eclectic interior and preserved details. This design celebrates both eras with a vibrant, maximalist approach. The home's original features, like detailed crown molding and a decorative ceiling medallion, are kept intact. They are then paired with a rich, eclectic interior filled with colorful textiles, unique vintage furniture, and an abundance of lush indoor plants, creating a layered and wonderfully lived-in aesthetic. 5. The Scandinavian Victorian with a bright, airy palette and minimalist furnishings. This home masterfully uses the Scandinavian design philosophy to brighten a Victorian structure. The walls are painted in a crisp white, and the floors are light wood. Original details, like a classic fireplace or ornate doors, are painted to match, creating a subtle texture. The furniture is clean, simple, and functional, resulting in a tranquil, light-filled, and utterly modern home. 6. The classic Victorian exterior with a striking modern door and sleek lighting. This idea focuses on the details that make a huge impact. The home's exterior is beautifully maintained in a traditional, possibly multicolored scheme. However, the front door is a single, bold, contemporary color like a deep teal or canary yellow. This is paired with minimalist, modern outdoor light fixtures, creating a surprising and stylish entry that signals a fresh interior. 7. The restored Victorian with a modern kitchen and open dining area. The most common area for a modern touch is the kitchen. This design shows a meticulously restored Victorian with original details throughout. But in the kitchen, a sleek, state-of-the-art space is created with minimalist cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, and a large, central island, creating a functional heart for a modern family within a historical shell. 8. The Victorian house with a high-tech smart home system and classic decor. This idea is a nod to technology. From the outside, this is a classic Victorian, possibly with a well-maintained porch and traditional color scheme. However, inside, a seamless smart home system controls everything from lighting and climate to security and entertainment, all hidden behind the ornate decor and classic finishes, proving that the old and new can coexist beautifully. 9. The Gothic Victorian with a modern, goth-chic interior. This design embraces the more dramatic, darker side of Victorian architecture. A Gothic-style home with its pointed arches and rich details is paired with a modern, goth-chic interior. Think dark, luxurious finishes, sophisticated black and gray color palettes, and minimalist furniture with a dramatic flair, creating a moody, romantic, and deeply modern space. 10. The Painted Lady with a single, bold color and modern potted plants. This stunning idea takes the colorful, painted lady, Victorian style and simplifies it. Instead of multiple colors, the entire home is painted in a single, vibrant hue like a bold purple or a striking blue. This is then complemented by modern, architectural potted plants on the porch and a simple, uncluttered patio, creating a playful and clean version of a classic. As we've journeyed through these incredible designs, it's clear that combining Victorian grandeur with a modern touch is not just a trend, it's a smart, sophisticated way to create a home that is both a beautiful relic of the past and a functional hub for the future. This design philosophy proves that you never have to choose between a home with character and a home with convenience. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern Victorian house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.